hit the crosswalk button. Boop. Wait for traffic to go by. Game on. Car. Blue doggy. Cleared across the street. Good morning, everybody. We're out here again in Matlacha Pass, cruising around looking for some redfish, some snook, some trout, some tarpon. Joined out here today with my buddy Ross and my buddy Elon Fishin-dips. I'll put both of their info down at the bottom for you guys so you can check out their social medias. Elon is a fishing guide in the area, so check him out. He can put you on some fish out here. Got everything you need: rods, reels, kayaks. You just bring your license and yourself and go fishing. So we're gonna cruise around, see what we can find. Trying to find some ladies right now. Once we get a couple ladies, we're gonna drag those around, see if we can get anything to hit those. Probably end up getting sharked a few times, and then eventually we're gonna traverse over and hit some islands, look for some reds and some snook, and cruise out. It's supposed to be 10-mile-an-hour winds today. We got a slow incoming tide all day, so there's like 3 major feeds today, so hopefully we can get on one of them and produce something pretty good out of it. So any day on the water is a good day, though. Thank you guys for watching. Give a like, a comment, and a subscribe. It helps the channel grow, and I'll see you guys on the water. Whatever this is, it feels pretty decent. It's a lady. Whoa, come on now. You're too big. The dangers of the ladyfish. Well, I guess while I'm floating around killing some time, we'll do a quick gear rundown. So this is a 2023 Hobie Passport 12R. I did the upgraded rudder system. Comes from the Hobie Lynx. Works great. Love it. Yak Attack Pack, Black Pack Pro. Yak Attack bag to go inside of it so I can put my extra gear in it. Yak Attack Track Pack Pickpocket Quick Draw. This thing is awesome. You just pop it, stash some stuff in there, close it up. There it is. Yak Attack rod holder. Forget the name of it right now, but this thing is dope. Multiple different ways you can set it up, point in any direction you want. Yak Attack Garmin holder. You can mount it on your rail system wherever you need it to be. Garmin Clearview 44. Awesome unit, preloaded with all your maps and everything you need in it. Powered by Nocqua. It's inside here. Everything's internal. It's a Nocqua adventure gear. 10 amp hour 12-volt battery, lithium ion. Thing is rocking. You can use that thing for like weeks without having to charge it. Yak Attack pole holder. And then all of my gear, I have 2 of the 3000 Penn Pursuit 4 LEs. These are a medium light 7 foot with a 3000 15-pound braid. 20-pound fluorocarbon. I have 2 of those, and then I have 2 Penn Pursuit 4 LEs, medium fast, 7 foot, and then these are 18 pound, I think it was. Maybe it's 20, I'm not for sure. I know it's just a tad bigger than the 15. It might even be 15 at the same now. But these I use bigger baits on. And this is a 4000 series. And then Dragon Ladyfish is a Pursuit 4 with a 5000? Yeah, with a 5K. And then I have a bait runner at the house. That's for dinosaur hunting and stuff. So, but that's my gear rundown. It's a lot of stuff, but it's good stuff. And it gets the job done for what I need, so. Number 4, Pompano. There's a couple more, bro. Yeah, there's like 3 more with him. Skrimp Pimp and Pompano, Volume 3. This one's, oh, that was in the boys again. What is up with you guys hitting me in the boys? There it is. Red Dog Jig Head, Kickin Skrimp, Skrimp Pimp, Pompano. Going home. Number 4 for the year. Didn't sight cast it, just throwing it out there in the sand flats. Probably should leave the drag open in case his friend comes by. Jeez. Right on. Whew. What's up, Snook? Come on, bro. Little fella. Boom. So right now I'm kind of just cruising around, sightseeing, hitting spots, looking for tarpon. Just hit a couple of little creeks. Saw 2 little juvenile tarpon, like 3.5 footers. Cruising around. Nothing more than that. Right now I'm just gonna hit this sand bed for a little bit, see if I can pull another pompano or something off of it. Then work my way around and try to find some reds on the wall on the uncharted side. It's a bit breezy. As soon as it hits the water. Alright guys, we're headed home, all loaded up. Gonna wash everything up, get ready for the work week. 1 snook, handful of trout, 1 pompano that I'm giving to Elon. He can have that for dinner. Hope he enjoys that. We saw a few tarpon throughout the day, traveled a lot, just couldn't get any redfish to hook up with. Everything caught on the Skrimp Pimp. Thank you guys again for watching. Give a like, a comment, and a subscribe if you can. It helps the channel grow. Next week we're going to do some adventures in a different spot, I think. So stay tuned for that. Again, thanks for watching.